This is Danny with QuadLugs, and we're going to check rotation and get the props mounted. And that's pretty much, you're right at the end of it here, and you're getting really close to flying now. So let's go ahead and turn the transmitter on. Again, props are off. We're going to plug it in. And I'm going to go ahead and back out a little bit. So now we're going to arm the controller. And you'll notice that with nothing, with the controller that's not armed, you're going to show that, let me get a little bit closer, it's going to show safe. And if we bind it, what we're going to do, we're going to throttle all the way down and to the right. You'll hear it arm, and now you see that it's armed. I'll throttle all the way down to the left. We're going to disarm it, and it shows that it's safe. So the props aren't going to turn until you've armed it. So let's go ahead and back out. Another thing too, keep in mind, and sorry for doing this, but let's go back in, is that with the gear channel, you always want it, you know, until you get really good, you want self level on. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, you want it on, okay? So we're going to go ahead and check rotation. All of this, again, is in the electronics build video. We're just double checking this because we did make some changes by putting the satellite receiver on, and just want to make sure, you know, everything after that point to make sure everything's okay. We're going to arm it. This should be motor number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the back, and this is the front. So it opens up, and that's the back of the quad. Okay, so motor number 1 is here, and this should be clockwise. And we get a little bit of throttle, and this is clockwise. This motor number 2 should be counter, and it is countered. This is motor number 3, and it should be clockwise. It is. Motor number 4 should be counterclockwise, and it is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and disarm it. Now this is all in the electronics build video. Like I said, if you ever need to go into any of that, you can go there, and it's a little bit more detail. Being that I changed the receiver out, I just wanted to double check a few things. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unplug it, and that's completed. And we'll turn the transmitter off.